Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's jam.
Other than the token tiny tray on top, the Ford Bronco center armrest storage bin is pretty much a deep black hole. You just know as you put stuff in there it'll end up an unorganized mess. So I went out and bought this organizer on Amazon. I'll have links in the description below if you're interested in getting one. This is a 2-tier system that will technically turn the storage bin into 3 tiers when it's installed. You can also get these pieces individually if you only want to split the storage bin into just an upper and lower half. The parts are nicely injection molded and come with these rubber, or maybe it's silicone, pads. This is actually made sturdier than I expected. Installation is super technical. Throw away the tiny OEM tray and then just insert these in the right order. Pretty complicated, huh? They not only go in easy, they come out really easy too. I guess that last part is pretty important though if you need to access the lower sections. You'll notice that the bottom section has an opening so you can still get access to plug-in accessories, and the top section has a hole for running a USB charging cable. That's pretty much it. Easy peasy. It looks factory and works exactly as intended. Time will tell if excessive summer heat will do anything to it, but barring that, I think this simple mod was a winner. But more importantly, my wife likes it, and that's all that really matters. Well, see you later.